What is up, everybody? I am back with another video today, and I'm going to be doing a unboxing of a pair of slides, Dior slides that I have gotten. I got them like 2 days ago, but I went to Saks a few days after Christmas, or actually I went on January 1st to Saks just to go get a pair of Dior sneakers that I've been wanting. Well, when I got there, they didn't wind up having my size, so I was looking around and I just kind of wanted to get something. So I picked up these Dior slides that I saw that I actually saw on the website before, but I didn't really like them. But then after seeing them in person, they grew on me, so I decided to get them. So yeah, let's unbox these. So, you know, just to Saks, they didn't really wrap anything like that. Just put it in the bag with my receipt. You know, that's all that's in there is my receipt. But here is the Dior box, and I got the Alpha men's sandals and the white and black. I think they're called like the oblique jacquard or something like that. Yeah, but here we go. See if you can see this. Probably not focusing. Anyways, so when you open the box, kind of hard to get out. You know, you have your traditional dust bag that you pretty much get with every single luxury shoe or bag or anything like that purchase. I don't really use these that much ever though. And then right here we have the wrapping paper. If you could see, it says Dior on the little wrapping paper. The little details matter, but yeah, so they're just wrapped up and like this, a lot of tissue paper. And here we go, here's the shoe. So, stuck in there. The box is a little too small for the shoe, I will say that. But yes, here we go. These are the Dior Alpha men's sandals in the colorway. I'm pretty positive it's the oblique jacquard or something like that. I'm gonna double check real quick. Okay, yeah, the Dior Alpha sandals in beige and black oblique jacquard. This is from the website. If you can see that, come on, why won't my camera exposure is too high, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so these are them. They kind of look like, I don't know if you've ever seen like the Kappa slide sandals. That's kind of what they remind me of. But that's why I didn't really like them at first when I saw them on the website, because I tried those Kappa slides on before and I didn't really like them that much. But then when I saw these in store, I kind of was like, oh, well, let me just look at them and try them on, because I was about to leave since they didn't have the shoe that I wanted. And I tried them on and I wound up getting them. But yeah, these actually are a size 10, which I wear a 9 or a 42 normally in any shoe. But they had a 10, they only had a 10 left in this slide. So I was like, oh, I don't want to get a shoe that's too big, but I tried it on and it actually fits perfect. The dude said that they do run a little small, but truly, like, I let my dad try them on. My dad wears a size 12, and like they fit him too. Like, it wasn't like a big, you know, difference. So it's kind of like you could get a 9 or a 10 or 11ish and, you know, still range in the same shoe size, because they are slide. You could do that with some slides, you know. But yeah, so here's some details about it. So on the the foot of it, it just says Dior right here, and it has like little diamond triangle things. And then on the side it has this leather strap that says Dior, and you know, it's Velcro. You can take it off and put it back on. The inside actually, so when I tried them on, I had socks on, so I just thought it was like a normal slide, you know, I didn't think it would be comfortable. But this is actually, in the inside, it's like foam padding in the inside, which makes it like 10 times more comfortable, you know, if you don't have a sock on. And you know, this is the pattern and like details of this. It's kind of just like, you know, what's in right now. You know how everybody's getting the Dior saddlebags or the Dior sneakers and stuff, and they all have like this type of Dior pattern on them. It's just like that, you know. But they remind me so much of the Kappa slides, but they are very, very comfortable. My Givenchy slides and my MCM slides and my Gucci slides, they're not really that comfortable, but these are really comfortable, which I'm very surprised about and happy about. It's another reason why I bought them, because I was like, damn, these are really comfortable, you know, because most of the slides I have, like over here, I have these MCM slides, and like they're comfortable after you break them in, and you know, they get worn, but and your foot gets used to them. But like not from the start. The only thing about these is it's a little hard on this, but that's just because it's not broken in yet. The only thing that I'm kind of getting a little sketch about is, so like when you have like the soles that are white like this, it's so easy for like you wear them once and you'll see all the dirt and like all the scratches. So that's kind of gonna probably bother me a little bit, but you know, it's whatever. And these actually retail for $700 even. Well, not like after tax and stuff, but like, you know, sticker price at $700. The Gucci slides, Givenchy slides, and you know, MCM slides, they're like 200 to 300 or you know, something like that. I mean, I normally would not spend $700 on a slide, but I really did wind up liking these. I mean, I tried them on in the store and I was looking at them. So actually, I went in there, I went in the store. They didn't have the shoe I wanted. I tried on some Balenciaga shoes. I tried on like a few other shoes, you know, I looked at some clothes, and I just really didn't see anything I liked. But like, you know, I was there, I didn't really want to, I wanted to leave with something, I wanted to get something. I know that sounds weird, because this wasn't an impulse buy. I mean, it was just a spur of the moment type instead. But I walked past these like a few times, and I kept looking at them, and the salesperson was like, he was like, do you want to try them on? And I was just like, I mean, I was like, I like them, but you know, and he was like, well, just try them on. So I tried them on, and then once I saw them on my feet, you know, I looked in the mirror, I had them on, and I was like, I actually really do like these, which I really didn't think I would at first, but I really, really did. And so you know, I tried them on, I looked at them in the mirror, and I was just like, oh, I really like these. But I don't know why, but I was sitting there and I was like, okay, so I put them back, and then I left and I went to Lululemon and I went to go get something to eat. And while I was eating, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go home. And then at the last second, when I was about to leave, I was just like, no, I'm going back and getting them. So yeah, that's pretty much how I got them. I went back and I was just like, I want them. And I like, because you can adjust the sizes on, like you can adjust it. You know, if you want it to fit tighter or looser, you can kind of just pull the straps and it does that. You know, so just overall for the details, this is like just a foam bottom for it, and then you know, just a flatbed that says Dior, which is kind of rough, but this just has to get broken into. But you know, and then like I said, it has the foam in the inside, it's like padding kinda, and then you know, just like the cloth Dior. And then so these are just like regular straps, like it's like regular cloth straps, but then there is some details, like this is all leather, the end of this Dior is all leather, and they have like this little detail in the front. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of just like for your toe, you know, so they don't just slide right off. But they actually give you like an inch or two when you wear them too. They make you a little taller. I really do like these. It's kind of, there's not much to say about, you know, slides that you're unboxing, but I just wanted to show y'all, make a video. I mean, let's see, I mean, they have some details on the website. So they have the, you know, it just says beige and black Dior oblique jacquard upper, black nylon bands with leather finishes with the Dior logo. It has the rubber protection panel in the front. Black and white soles, rubber soles, the dust bags included. They're made in Italy. Okay, so it says right here, it said this model fits as expected. We recommend ordering your normal shoe size. So yeah, I mean, they fit true to size basically, but I mean, I wear a 9, 9.5, and these are a 10 and they fit good. Normally, like if I try on a shoe that's a 10, like they have Balenciagas on, I had Balenciagas I tried on when I was there, and they were a size 10, and I was just like I don't want to buy them just because they are big on me. But these aren't. But overall, they're a really good slide. Paying $700 for slides is kind of crazy to me. But they're good quality, really, they are. I mean, all slides are good quality, but you know, most of the time, like this MCM slide, like it's just a rubber, you know, Givenchy slides, Gucci slides, they're just rubber, like there's nothing really special about them, so the quality's not that well. But this one, like you could tell, like this is very sturdy, it's hard, I can see why it's $700 and not $300. But yeah, it's pretty much all about these. Let me just read you the receipt from Saks. So they're $700 even, like I said. The item tax was $66.15. So my total was $766.15. People are gonna have weird opinions because I have some of my friends saying like, oh, those are sick, those are dope. But like, then I have people like my parents or like my brother, or even some friends that are just like, those are the ugliest shoes I've ever seen, like not worth $700. You know? So it really just depends on what you like. If you like something, you should just go buy it yourself. Don't listen to other people. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or anything like that, just comment that down below. I'm gonna try to find the link for them if they still have this colorway, and I'm gonna link it down below. Yeah, so that's pretty much all. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time.